In this video, I'll show you how to create a new portfolio in Google Finance. First of all, open Google Finance. You can search for it or just click on these 9 dots and here find option Finance. Once you have Google Finance opened, find option Create a Portfolio and click on Add a new portfolio. Now select your portfolio's name and click on Save. Now my portfolio is created. Next step is to click on Add Investments. Here type an investment name or symbol, for example Apple, and choose this option. Here you can select the number of shares, purchase date and purchase price. So I'm gonna choose, for example, 2 shares, January 10th, and the purchase price will fill automatically. You can also change it and click on Save, and if you want add another, click on Save and add another. Now this is my portfolio. It started on 10th January. In this area you have your investments and also you can see here your activity and also news and events. If you want to add another investment to your portfolio, click here on Add Investment and repeat the process. You can see here day gain and you can also change it to total gain, and also you can sort it by name, symbol or also value. That's it guys, this was how to create a Google Finance portfolio. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.